Welcome back to the world of crypto. Sometimes I wonder how Bitcoin was created and who became rich from it. Let's journey back to the year 2008. A mysterious figure known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto emerged from the shadows of the internet. Nakamoto unveiled a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, marking the inception of the first ever cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. This white paper was more than just a technical document. It was a revolutionary manifesto that challenged the very foundations of our financial systems. It proposed a new form of money, one that was decentralized and immune to the control of governments and banks. It promised a world where financial power was in the hands of the people, not the institutions. But what problems did Bitcoin aim to solve? For one, it addressed the double spending problem. In digital transactions, there's a risk that a user could spend the same amount twice. Traditional systems manage this risk with a central authority that records and verifies transactions. But Nakamoto envisioned a system that could solve this problem without the need for any central authority. Bitcoin achieves this through a technology called the blockchain. It's a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. It's maintained by a network of computers known as miners who validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This decentralized system ensures the integrity of the transaction data and eliminates the need for a central authority. Additionally, Bitcoin represented a response to the global financial crisis of 2008. The crisis highlighted the vulnerabilities of centralized financial systems. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature, promised a more resilient alternative. It offered a way to store and transfer value that was independent of any government or organization. This was the dawn of Bitcoin, a revolutionary idea born from the ashes of financial turmoil. It was an idea that promised to redefine our concept of money and reshape our financial systems. It was a bold vision of a decentralized financial future. And so, in the midst of a global financial crisis, Bitcoin was born. The birth of Bitcoin would mean nothing without its first transaction. A statement that rings true as we delve into the history of Bitcoin's inaugural transaction. In January of 2009, a digital handshake of sorts occurred between two individuals. On one end was the enigmatic creator of Bitcoin, known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. On the other end was a man named Hal Finney, a computer scientist and early supporter of the Bitcoin project. This was the first ever Bitcoin transaction, where Nakamoto sent 10 Bitcoins to Finney as a test. It was a simple transaction, but one of immense significance, setting the stage for the revolution that was to come. The transaction between Nakamoto and Finney was the spark that ignited the Bitcoin network. It demonstrated the potential of this new, decentralized form of currency, one that could be transferred instantly between parties, regardless of their location, without the need for a central authority. But Bitcoin's journey from concept to real-world application wasn't overnight. It took over a year for the first real-world transaction to take place. This happened in May of 2010. When a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made history. Hanyecz is famously known for making the first real-world purchase using Bitcoin. He bought 2 pizzas from Papa John's for 10,000 Bitcoins. Back then, those Bitcoins were worth about $30. The pizza transaction might seem trivial, but it was a crucial milestone in the history of Bitcoin. It marked the first time Bitcoin was used to purchase a tangible good, proving that it could function as a legitimate form of currency. The pizzas Hanyecz bought are now known as the most expensive pizzas in history. If he held on to those 10,000 Bitcoins, they'd be worth millions of dollars today. Those pizzas would be worth millions today, a testament to Bitcoin's incredible growth. From its humble beginnings as a novel idea in a white paper, to buying pizzas, to becoming a globally recognized digital asset, the journey of Bitcoin is a testament to the power of innovation and belief in the potential of decentralization. So, who were the early adopters that saw potential in this new digital currency? Let's dive right into it. Among the first to recognize the revolutionary potential of Bitcoin were individuals like the Winklevoss twins, Barry Silbert and Roger Ver. The Winklevoss twins, Cameron and Tyler, are perhaps best known for their legal battle with Mark Zuckerberg over the ownership of Facebook. However, their early adoption of Bitcoin is what truly propelled them into the financial stratosphere. After a hefty settlement from their Facebook lawsuit, the twins invested $11 million into Bitcoin back in 2013. Fast forward to today, and that investment has multiplied exponentially, making them among the first Bitcoin billionaires. Then there's Barry Silbert. Known as the King of Crypto, Silbert founded the Digital Currency Group, a company that builds, buys, and invests in blockchain companies. Silbert was one of the earliest believers in Bitcoin, and his early investments in this digital asset have paid off handsomely. And let's not forget Roger Ver. Often referred to as Bitcoin Jesus, Ver was an early advocate for the adoption of Bitcoin. He invested over $1 million into new Bitcoin startups and even convinced businesses to start accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. Ver's early adoption and promotion of Bitcoin not only helped him amass a considerable fortune, but also played a significant role in Bitcoin's acceptance and growth. These individuals spotted the potential of Bitcoin when it was just a budding concept, a mere blip on the financial radar. They saw past the skepticism and the uncertainty, recognizing the revolutionary potential of this new digital currency. They believed in the technology, the decentralization, and the freedom that Bitcoin offered. Their foresight paid off, turning them into some of the world's first Bitcoin millionaires. Their stories serve as a testament to the transformative power of Bitcoin and the enormous potential of blockchain technology. They were willing to take a risk, and it paid off in a big way. So, who knows? The next Bitcoin millionaire could very well be you. From unknown to mainstream, Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. This digital asset, once the purview of a small group of tech enthusiasts, has grown into a global phenomenon, reshaping the way we understand and use money. The evolution of Bitcoin has been a fascinating one. Its creation in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis marked a milestone in the history of finance. It offered a novel, decentralized alternative to traditional financial systems. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was the catalyst for a new era of digital finance. Over the years, Bitcoin has seen a steady rise in acceptance and adoption. The early days were filled with skepticism and uncertainty. People wondered, what is this digital currency? Can it be trusted? But as understanding grew, so did the acceptance. The creation of Bitcoin ATMs was a significant step towards mainstream adoption. These machines made it possible for individuals to buy and sell Bitcoin, just like they would withdraw or deposit traditional currency. The first Bitcoin ATM was installed in Vancouver, Canada in 2013, and today there are over 15,000 of them worldwide. This physical presence of Bitcoin ATMs has played a key role in making the digital currency more accessible and familiar to the public. But the adoption of Bitcoin isn't limited to individuals. More and more businesses are starting to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. From small online stores to major corporations, Bitcoin is steadily becoming a part of everyday commerce. Companies like Microsoft, AT&T, and Overstock.com now accept Bitcoin, allowing customers to purchase everything from software to furniture with the digital currency. This acceptance by businesses further cements Bitcoin's place in the financial landscape. The journey of Bitcoin has not been without its challenges. From regulatory hurdles to market volatility, Bitcoin has weathered numerous storms. Yet, each challenge has only served to strengthen its resolve and resilience. Bitcoin's ability to adapt and evolve has been key to its survival and growth. Over the course of a decade, Bitcoin has transformed from a fringe concept to a mainstream financial asset. It has become more than just a digital currency. It's a symbol of financial freedom, a tool for economic empowerment, and a testament to the power of innovation. From a concept in a white paper to a globally recognized currency, Bitcoin has certainly come a long way. Its journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of blockchain technology. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about what the future holds for Bitcoin. and how it will continue to shape our financial landscape. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's the cornerstone of the crypto market. This statement is as true today as it was when Bitcoin first burst onto the scene. As the first and most significant cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has played a pivotal role in shaping the entire crypto market. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. It was more than a decade ago when the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto unveiled Bitcoin to the world. It was a revolutionary concept, a digital currency that was decentralized, transparent, and free from the control of any government or institution. The world had never seen anything like it, and so Bitcoin became the blueprint, the original model upon which all subsequent cryptocurrencies were built. Its underlying technology, blockchain, became the foundation for an entirely new industry. Bitcoin's success sparked a wave of innovation that led to the creation of thousands of other digital currencies, collectively known as altcoins. But Bitcoin's influence extends beyond its role as the prototype. It continues to be the dominant force in the crypto market. Bitcoin's market capitalization, which is the total value of all Bitcoins in circulation, is larger than that of all other cryptocurrencies combined. It's a testament to Bitcoin's enduring appeal and its perceived value. Bitcoin's price movements also have a significant impact on the rest of the crypto market. When Bitcoin's price rises, it often lifts the entire market with it. Conversely, when Bitcoin's price falls, it can drag down the value of other cryptocurrencies. This phenomenon, known as Bitcoin dominance, reflects the influence Bitcoin has over the entire crypto market. But perhaps the most profound way in which Bitcoin shapes the crypto market is through its role as a gateway. For many people, Bitcoin is their first introduction to the world of cryptocurrencies. It's often the first digital currency that people buy when they decide to venture into the crypto market. And once they've bought Bitcoin, they're more likely to explore other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's role in the crypto market has evolved over time. Initially, it was seen primarily as a digital currency, a novel way to transfer value across the internet. But as the market has matured, Bitcoin has taken on new roles. It's now seen as a store of value, a digital gold, if you will, a hedge against inflation, and even a potential replacement for traditional fiat currencies. As the crypto market continues to evolve, Bitcoin's role within it is likely to change and adapt. But one thing's for sure, Bitcoin's influence on the crypto market is not going away anytime soon. For better or worse, Bitcoin is inextricably linked to the fate of the crypto market. Bitcoin isn't just leading the pack, it's defining the direction of the crypto market. It's not just the first, the biggest, or the most well-known, it's the guiding star, the north on every crypto enthusiast's compass. And as we navigate the intriguing seas of the crypto market, Bitcoin continues to be our trusted beacon, illuminating the path ahead. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? This question has been on the lips of many since its inception. Bitcoin's trajectory has been nothing short of spectacular, and as we look ahead, its potential seems limitless. Imagine a world where Bitcoin is the global currency. It's not as far-fetched as it might sound. In fact, some believe that Bitcoin's decentralized nature and finite supply could make it a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. Bitcoin doesn't answer to any government or central bank, making it attractive in economies where inflation is high and trust in institutions is low. Furthermore, its digital nature makes it perfect for the increasingly digital world we live in. But this vision of a Bitcoin-dominated future doesn't come without its challenges. The first is scalability. Right now, Bitcoin can only process a limited number of transactions per second, a fraction of what global payment networks handle. However, there are solutions in the works, like the Lightning Network, which could drastically increase Bitcoin's transaction capacity. Another challenge is regulation. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate Bitcoin. Some fear it could be used for illicit activities, while others worry about its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. But as Bitcoin becomes more mainstream, it's likely that we'll see more comprehensive and balanced regulations emerge. Bitcoin's potential isn't limited to just being a currency, though. Its underlying technology, blockchain, has countless other applications. For example, It could be used to create decentralized, transparent, and immutable records for everything from property deeds to supply chains. This could revolutionize industries by increasing efficiency and reducing fraud. Bitcoin could also play a role in the future of finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a fast-growing field that uses blockchain technology to create financial services outside of traditional banking systems. Bitcoin, as the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency, is well positioned to play a central role in this new financial landscape. And let's not forget about Bitcoin's potential as a store of value. Some have dubbed it digital gold, arguing that its scarcity and independence from traditional financial systems make it an attractive hedge against economic uncertainty. As we navigate a future that's increasingly digital and global, Bitcoin's role as a digital store of value could become even more important. So what does the future hold for Bitcoin? The truth is, no one really knows. It could become the global currency, revolutionize industries with its blockchain technology, or become a digital safe haven in uncertain times. Or perhaps all of the above. But whatever happens, Bitcoin has already changed the world and its journey is far from over. The future of Bitcoin is as unpredictable as it is exciting. But one thing's for sure, it's here to stay. So, what have we learned about Bitcoin? We began our journey with the dawn of Bitcoin, understanding its creation in the midst of the 2008 financial crisis. It was birthed from the mind of an enigmatic figure, Satoshi Nakamoto, as a response to the flaws of traditional financial systems offering a decentralized peer-to-peer network for financial transactions. We touched upon the first Bitcoin transaction, a momentous event where Satoshi Nakamoto transferred 10 Bitcoins to a computer programmer named Hal Finney. This transaction set the precedent for the many billion-dollar transactions that would follow in the years to come. We then turned our focus to the early adopters and Bitcoin millionaires, those visionaries who saw the potential of Bitcoin when it was still in its infancy. These were the individuals who, despite the risks, invested in Bitcoin and reaped immense rewards as its value skyrocketed. Our journey took us through the evolution and adoption of Bitcoin, how it moved from being a fringe interest of tech enthusiasts to a globally recognized digital asset. We discussed its use around the world, from remittances in developing countries to a hedge against inflation in economically unstable regions. We delved into Bitcoin's role in the crypto market, highlighting its dominance as the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Its influence is such that the rise and fall of Bitcoin often dictate the trajectory of other cryptocurrencies. Finally, we explored the future potential of Bitcoin, how it could continue to revolutionize the financial world, its potential to become a global reserve currency, and the challenges it may face along the way, particularly in terms of regulation and sustainability. So, as we wrap up, let's remember that Bitcoin is not just a digital currency. It's a technological innovation, a financial revolution, and a testament to the power of decentralized systems. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, understanding Bitcoin is essential in the digital age. It's more than a currency, it's a revolution.